how to set up a WooCommerce. Well, firstly, what is WooCommerce? It's a free e-commerce software that makes it easy for selling products and services online. Over the years, it has become the most popular e-commerce platform in the world, used by millions of small and large businesses online stores. WooCommerce is developed as an extension of WordPress, which is the most popular website builder on the market. This allows users to build an e-commerce website from scratch or add shopping cart functionality to an existing website. It's an open source software. It's free to download and use. However, while the WooCommerce is it's free, you still need a domain name and web hosting services to set up a website, which cost money. Then, what do you need to make a WooCommerce store? You need a WordPress hosting account, a domain name, a SSL certificate. Well, now the steps you need to follow to set up your WooCommerce account. So first you need to visit the Bluehost website and click on the Get Started Now button. Next, you will be asked to select a plan for your hosting account. Basic and Plus plans are popular among many users, and remember, you can always upgrade to get more resources later when you need it. Click to select a plan and continue. After that, you will be asked to register a new domain name, or you can use an existing domain name that you already own. So, here are some quick tips on choosing the perfect domain name for your WooCommerce store. Use keywords in your domain name. For example, if you want to sell gardening supplies, then use it in your domain name as keyword. Use your brand name in your domain name. Stick to .com extension. Do not use numbers or hyphens in your domain name. This makes them hard to pronounce and spell. So once you have chosen a domain name, click on the next button to continue. Now you will be asked to provide account information and finalize the plan details. Under package information section, you can choose 36 months plan or whatever plan you want to, but we would recommend you choose a 36 months plan because that's the best value. After that, fill your credit card information and click on the submit button to complete the purchase. Once you have made the payment, Bluehost will send you an email with details to log into your web hosting dashboard. The dashboard is where you will manage your website. So next step is setting up your WooCommerce in WordPress. Most web hosting companies also offer one-click WordPress installation. If you are using any or other hosting company, then you need to follow some other guide. Bluehost will automatically install WordPress for you when you sign up for a hosting account. You can simply log into your hosting dashboard and click on the log into WordPress button. You can always use this shortcut as your WooCommerce login without entering a password. You will now see the WordPress dashboard. Now, before we install WooCommerce, let's first set up basic WordPress settings. Go to the settings page in the WordPress admin area and change your website's title and optionally provide a tagline. Bluehost will automatically install SSL certificate for your domain name. Make sure that your website URL is showing, you know, HTTP and not, it's showing HTTPS and not HTTP. If it's showing HTTP, then you need to see uh, a tutorial on how to enable free SSL in WordPress. Next, you need to review the website admin email address. This email address is where you will receive WooCommerce notification and password reset request, so make sure that it's correct. After that, scroll down a little and select the time zone settings for your website. Now you can review all the settings once again and click on the Save Changes button to save them. Once done, you are now ready to install WooCommerce. So now you need to properly install and set up WooCommerce. What you need to do is simply visit plugins, add new page in your WordPress admin and search for WooCommerce. WordPress will now show plugin search results. You need to click on the Install Now button next to WooCommerce. So WordPress will now grab the plugin files and install WooCommerce for you. Once finished, you need to click on the Activate button to start it. Then you need to select your store location, currency, and what type of products you want to sell, and then you need to click on Continue. Next step, you will be asked to choose a payment method. By default, WooCommerce supports PayPal and Stripe payment gateways. You can click the toggle to enable these payment methods and please provide your email address to set them up. Then click on the continue button to move along. Now you will be asked to install recommended services for WooCommerce. Then you need to add products in WooCommerce. Simply go to products, add new page, and add your first product. First, you need to provide a title for your product and then a detailed description. After that, click on the add new product category link in the right column. You can now create a new category for the product you are adding. It allows you to, categories allow you to your customers to easily browse products on your website. Then you need to scroll down a little to the product data box. This is where you'll select the product type, product pricing, shipping, and other information. Next, you will see a product short description box. You need to add a catchy and informative short description that helps you get more click. And then you need to add the main product image. This will be the main product image that's used on the shop pages across your store. Then you can add multiple images to create a product image gallery. Now review all the product information that you have added so far. If everything looks all right, then you need to, you are all ready to make this product live on your store. Click on the publish button at the top right box on the screen to publish your product. So next is choose a WooCommerce template and theme. Then install WooCommerce extensions and add-ons. Then resources to grow WooCommerce. You need to start an email list, generate more leads, track WooCommerce users, learn WooCommerce SEO, recover abandoned cart sales,